Hit it.
I'm just going to be squinting for the entire video.
I do have a little intro.
You didn't want to run it by me first?
No, it goes.
This is your channel, that's okay.
Hi, I'm Amber. I'm a British South African, expert in nothing. Welcome to my channel.
Ah, very good.
I know. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. And this is
Adam Dobson.
last name Dobson, Dobby.
Yeah,
I was trying to protect you.
it's okay. Expert in nothing as well. I could have said expert in everything, but that makes me sound like
Expert
an
in
idiot.
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, I'm Adam. It is hot. I can almost stare at the sun.
So basically, thought to start a YouTube channel. Had the idea before, but it just seemed like a lot of faff. Which, to be honest, is quite a lot of faff.
It is a lot
isn't
of
it?
faff.
It's a lot of
Yeah.
faff. We had to get a box this big, and in the box came a lot of things. What we're actually filming this on is the Shinyan Smooth 4.
And first impressions is very good. Like, it
Very,
feels like
to be
it's
honest.
solid.
The box is great. What I really like, which I will show you,
It's a very minor detail, by the way.
it is a minor detail, but I just think if you're doing product packaging, this is like the bomb. So I'm gonna peel it off in slow motion.
You might need to get closer to the camera.
I will. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
See that open tab?
Yep.
What
Lift it up
happens
a bit.
is, initially, I thought when I was peeling it off, I don't know if you can see that, it came away and I thought, that's a bit rubbish really. And then I realised, if you keep peeling, look
Yeah.
at that. Ooh, that's beautiful.
Little details.
Little details, but I just think, why not make the effort? It was in 2 different colours. I didn't see the other colour. It wasn't on Amazon. It wasn't available. There's a fantastic vlog called The Ultimate Mobile Vlogging. We
thing.
should know because we've seen that
watched it
video
like
20
5
times.
Yeah.
We've got the Smooth 4. It comes also in the best foil?
It's polystyrene.
Polystyrene.
Yeah.
I just think if you're going to do polystyrene, you may as well do it like this. And it opens up.
It got a hinge.
It's beautiful. And it's got this, and this is the space for the camera we're using. I'll just like insert the clip somewhere, wherever it looks appropriate. On the, what's that software we got?
FiLMiC Pro. Yeah.
For free for 3 months.
Yes. Champion.
If it's good, then, you know, we're going to use it. This is the remains of the dead cat.
Yeah.
I just love saying that.
Yeah.
So we also got a microphone, the Rode one. This was on sale on Amazon for £35 instead of 75.
I'm glad you remember prices.
Yeah,
remember the
well, you know,
prices.
it's investments, you know what I'm saying?
Well, yeah.
So yeah, that's the Video Micro, and it's actually really good. It comes with this fuzzy thing, which is hopefully cutting out some
It
of
should,
the birds.
Yeah. I mean, it's not too windy out here.
No.
So I guess that's what that is for.
For the birds, I think.
Well,
But yeah, it's very good. It clips on. We had to buy a clamp as well. Well, pretty much everything we bought is in the other video that guy did. So if you want to watch that video, we highly recommend it because he explains it very well.
it is.
We also realised that in order to show you what we bought, we'd need another one. So well done to that guy for buying 2 or just having loads of setup. You do need another cable. So we have now this cable for the camera that we do not yet own.
Is that for a DSLR?
Yeah, so
Oh,
Adam
okay.
really wants, which camera is it?
A Fujifilm X-T4, which I believe is out either now or very soon.
Yeah.
I'm hoping to get back into professional photography.
He's very good, to be
So
honest.
yeah, this will help with that as well.
I've seen your portfolio. It is very good. Instagram plug. What's your Instagram, Adam?
It's framed by Adam. Follow me. Yeah.
And you can also follow me. I forget what mine is.
It's GT Girl Amber.
It's
that bit
GT
out.
Girl Amber. Are you sure? Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, GT Girl Amber.
Yeah.
Follow me there. I'll probably have about 20 friends.
Hopefully 21 or 22
21 after this
video.
video. Better be. Right, I mean, for at least 10 subscribers. And so we got those things, and this is very cool. It actually comes in a pack of 2. It's just like a headphone adapter.
It's a splitter,
It's a
essentially.
splitter, yeah.
Yeah.
The only issue that we've had so far with this whole setup, which was fantastic, is that we can't see ourselves.
Can you see yourself in the reflection of the back of my phone?
No, I can see my dress though,
Okay.
and probably the sunburn I'm getting.
Did you put any sun lotion on?
I put tons on.
I'm
I
sure you
soak it
didn't.
up like no tomorrow. Speaking of tans, the point of this video,
Yes.
we thought, let's do a DNA test.
Yes.
Let's find out who's the most spicy. Who eats more Mexican food? Is it Adam? Is it me?
Well, I knew where you were from.
Yeah, he knew where I was from, which is South
But
Africa.
I would guess that you had more English in you, or at least more European in you than me. Look at our skin.
That's
all
true.
I'm
To
going
be
with.
fair, he's the Englishman. I'm not the Englishman. Born and raised.
Well,
He's hands.
Burning
We'll have to
everything.
insert a holiday photo
yeah.
of how tanned you get on holiday. It'd be really cool.
Just
We thought
maybe
we'd
not.
have a Malaysian connection at the end of this.
Well, it's funny actually because my best friend used to call me Filipino
Yes.
because of the colour I go. I guess my dark hair. I'm not sure why else.
His
I
little
was joking, I think.
emoji. When I first met Adam, before I met you actually,
Before we
sounds
met,
weird.
yes.
Bumble romance, millennial love.
It works. It does
It
work.
does work,
sometimes.
guys. There's hope out there. Well, you sent me a little emoji message, and you looked Japanese. I
You
thought,
did say one of the first voice messages you sent to me. It said, "Are you Asian?"
yeah, and he was like,
And
no.
no, I mean not to like, no offense, take it.
Yeah,
It's not
we would be
offensive,
quite
but,
happy being Asian,
like,
to be honest.
I'm
We love
definitely not
Asian food.
Asian.
Like, I thought that would explain our love of like Wagamama's, but it doesn't.
Somewhere in our DNA is like
And also Genghis Khan. I mean, you know, statistically,
that
like
guy got around.
he got
apparently.
around, right?
But I know nothing about my family heritage
Mm-hmm.
past my grandparents. Like, I don't know anything about them, so that's another good reason to do this test.
Yeah. So how it works is we don't have the boxes anymore, do we?
No,
So we can't show you the boxes, but we'll insert a picture here of box
and links, of course.
and links. So we got these boxes, paid extortionate prices. If you go to the website now, though, it's £39, which is
half the price.
half the price. So do it now if you can. You know, circumstances, obviously. Do it now. And not sponsored.
Actually, not. Definitely not.
Definitely not. We ordered the kits. We had to swab our cheek.
It was 30 seconds
It was-
for each cheek,
So we just sat there like going for like 30
which
seconds.
doesn't sound like a long time, but
It's actually longer than you
it's
think.
longer than you think.
It was
yeah.
really long. So we're like doing this. They come in these little vials of like liquid. And then the
Yes.
minute that you put your swab in there, it goes all like milky. It's,
It does.
it's
yeah.
horrible.
It's like activates immediately.
Like,
Yeah.
and
you
then
see it working, which is nice.
yeah, so you put 2 in, and I guess one's in case the other one's faulty or
Yeah.
doesn't work or doesn't make it
Or
or
if it
something.
leaks.
Or if it
Any,
leaks
literally any
or-
circumstance is a
exactly.
spare one.
So then you mail it off, which again, a total. It's going to be more than £40 because it cost us like £11 something to mail it
Each.
each.
Wasn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah. It's to America.
Chicago.
It said it would take about 6 weeks after you sent it off because obviously you register it through the app. You have to download the app, so you got to have space on your phone to download the app. Then from the app, which is just My Heritage, you can
Free to download.
free to download. Yeah, you just go to DNA and it tells you like activate your DNA kit, and that's what you do. Like activate it there. I'll try to do that thing when you screen record.
Oh,
And then it shows up
we
on the
can do
screen.
that,
We're
yeah.
going to work out how to do that. Once you've done that, like you scan the code, and then obviously when you actually send it off, it actually took what, 2 weeks to arrive?
Yeah. it
Which
took
felt
quite-
like forever.
It did feel like a long time. We thought they were lost at some point. I
And we
guess.
got really worried.
And it shouldn't take things that long to get to the
Yeah.
United States these days.
But I suppose everything with coronavirus and COVID-19.
Yeah, it was just kind of starting.
That's why we got a
Yeah.
bit nervous because we're thinking, oh my gosh, our DNA is just floating about.
Maybe our DNA's got coronavirus.
yeah,
and they've
it's
just
like-
scrapped it, they've burnt it.
So, yeah, and we're thinking this is like not good.
Yeah.
Now, unfortunately, we couldn't wait to do this video.
Absolutely not.
Because we
I was
hadn't
way
set
too
it up.
excited.
When you actually get your DNA test, mine came through just before Adam's. I was jumping
Yeah.
up and down.
I
I,
thought-
was on the sofa.
I had no idea what she was jumping about. I was
I
a
was
bit
like, oh my
concerned.
God, oh
I
my
was
God,
like,
oh my
what's
God.
happened?
That's pretty much all that
She
came
was
out
like, the
from it.
DNA's come through. I was like, okay.
And then it was really cool because my DNA is not what you think. If you can guess where you think I'm from, you have 5 seconds to do it.
With those eyes.
Especially with the eyes that when I shut them, I can't see.
Well, no one can
Um,
see when they shut their eyes. If you can see when you can shut your eyes, mail us.
Let us know. I have 5 ethnicities.
This is an estimate, but it's,
Pretty
I think it's
spicy.
a pretty good estimate.
So I'm not English at all.
At all.
I
Not
have
even 1%.
zero, even though my surname is Danks, which is actually an English name. There's 2 strands, one's Scottish, one's English. It's from Knights. 97.7% of me in total is European. I actually just avoided England in my DNA. I've been to Wales once, and
not-
Scotland once, and Ireland once. 52% Irish, Scottish and Welsh. I've visited my homelands.
It's a high percentage, really.
It is quite high.
It's half of you.
Because obviously we live in England. 29.6% North and West European.
So you probably wanted a bit of African.
I wanted some African because like my grandpa's African and like, you know, it just bypassed me. I just didn't get any of the spice. And so I am not Russian. I'm not Polish. I did get Iberian though. Portugal and Spain. And that's why I like paella. And sun.
Wow.
11.3% Scandinavian. Where is Scandinavia?
Like Norway, Sweden, Denmark.
And I should know that because I know people from all those 3 countries. So what's Dutch?
They're Dutch.
Where are they from?
Holland. Or the Netherlands.
Oh, really? Oh, I've been there 3 times.
You've been to Amsterdam.
I love the
3
Dutch.
times, yeah.
I'm quite high up on the French side, really.
It covers a lot of northwestern Europe, as it suggests. That's heavy Danish. It's overlapping.
And very heavy Scotland. I'm quite French. That's why I like wine.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I'm quite exotic. Peru, you know what I'm saying? No messing around.
I don't know which bit of you is there, South American.
It just makes you really question what are Asian eyes. I think it's brilliant. Yeah, so I wasn't as spicy as I wanted to be, but I am a bit Peruvian.
Well, it's still like peri-peri sauce. Yeah.
So Adam, his DNA.
Slot it in here.
Adam was waiting and waiting and waiting for his.
I
for
waited
like
hours after Amber's to come through.
And he's thinking, what is he? I was thinking maybe Israeli, maybe like Turkey, something cool.
You thought maybe like Middle Eastern as well?
I did.
Anywhere else?
Malaysian, Filipino.
Anywhere that tans.
Where you could achieve this look.
It turns out I'm actually 32% English in me.
And his surname is Germanic.
Yeah.
There was like 6,500 people.
DNA matches.
DNA.
1 or 2 of them are close relatives, but
I had a good
everyone
one.
else you're just like, yeah, I don't think I'm related to these guys.
I had one in New Zealand. It said, this guy is a 22% match and he might be your half brother. He was in his 50s. I was like, oh my God. And then I realised it's my Uncle John in New Zealand.
She forgot she had an uncle.
And then the best
in
bit
New
is
Zealand,
like...
by the name of John.
The best bit is 20 minutes later, I was just like, I think there's another one.
There was another one.
But this one's called Jonathan, and he's the right age.
Estimate half brother again.
And I was like, oh my God, it's my cousin Jonathan in New Zealand.
You know people live in New Zealand.
Yeah, I know.
People who you know.
Yeah.
They didn't cross your mind.
They just didn't.
You want to find a long lost cousin.
Yeah,
or
something
aunt.
that you didn't know.
I was 32% English, which is quite a lot. I think.
It's a lot.
And then a quarter of me was Irish, Scottish, Welsh. So you're twice as British as me. I'm 57% Irish, English, Scottish, Welsh. And then there was 13% Scandinavian. It's cool, right?
He's obsessed with like Scandinavian, the
Scandinavian,
design, furniture.
anything, music, furniture,
It's
design.
true, all your music as well.
Yeah, and then the bit that really surprised me, 29% of me is actually Eastern European.
That's
It's like,
2%.
oh, okay, my family didn't venture out too far. It's 100% European.
You hit every single country.
Yeah.
And there was like a cut-off at the Czech Republic. But I was on the one side.
Well, definitely like North and West
Yeah,
European.
I'm like that side, whereas you were
I'm
every other
definitely
country
heavy
that way.
East. Yeah,
Romania,
so it's covering Romania, Moldova,
Belarus.
Hungary, Bulgaria, and
Crazy.
Lithuania, I think.
Yeah.
I think I'm
amazing.
more spicy.
Well, I mean, you didn't leave the continent. So tell us who you think is more spicy.
Okay, yeah, let's leave it to a public vote.
I'm
A
the real
third
spice.
Eastern European, and with this skin colour compared to your skin colour, you have a unique look about you. As do we all. We're all special.
Special. Video 1. Ta-da! Like.
Comment.
Subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Have a good day.